Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about why you need a boat. One thing is for sure, you can't do this if you don't have a boat. Of course, having a boat is a lot of work. You need to find the boat. You need to learn how to maneuver a boat. And every boat is different because, you know, it's different. The wind impacts different boats differently. And you have one engine, two engines. Do you have stern drives or out drives? Or do you have only have propellers and rudders? It's something that impacts also to think about what you want. I have a dual engine setup. I don't have a bow thruster, but I feel like I have to maneuver the boat pretty good anyway. There are ways to, I mean, with twin engines you can just turn around, and with also you can go sideways. So about having a boat, it's not like you always out driving your boat. There are a lot of other things to consider, especially having a boat with the age of my boat. It's from 1995, with the issues that I had, and you need to keep up the maintenance and just renew it, refurbish it once in a while. I have a lot of projects going on, so of course I have a lot of things to do on the boat. I've done a lot, but there's still a lot to do on it to get it up to like the modernization level I would like to have. But other than that, you know, I just love being out on the water. Nice quiet day now. It's ending towards the end of the season. Not many boats out driving. Owning a boat, getting a boat, paying for a boat, paying for the fuel, everything, but you know, at the end of the day, just a sense of freedom. You head out, explore some cool islands with your friends and family, and just share that experience. It's worth every penny, guys. It's just, I mean, it's so awesome. So I really encourage everyone to take a boat. It's not that hard. You can learn everything, learn the navigation, learn to handle the boat, just take it easy. and take it step by step. You don't have to be super, you know, just take it slow. Slow is pro, as they say. You know, just if you're gonna go in a dock or something, just take it slow, take it easy, and take your time. Important thing is to not panic, and if you need to redo it, or you come in the wrong way, just do it again. Practice and learn navigation. I mean, plotters and everything today, I'd like to have like auto routing and everything, but I really encourage everyone to really know what it is to have a boat and being safe out there on the water. So yeah, so I guess, you know, it's such fun, such freedom. Really love it. But I have been boating since I was like 5 years old, so I mean, since I was a baby, but by myself in the boat, I'm maneuvering a little small boat with 5 horsepower outboard engine. I mean, I did that when I was 5 years old, so I mean, what was that? Oh yeah, it's tons of work, everyone. And of course you can pay people to do it, but I enjoy doing it. It's my form of meditation. Just go and work on a boat. I enjoy it. If you don't enjoy it, you just want a turnkey solution, you have to pay a little bit more for someone else to do it, but I do it by myself. More or less everything I am able to do. It doesn't require like lifting the boat, I can't do that, but more or less everything else, winterization, maintenance, upgrades, making it ready for the season, make it ready for winter and all that. So that's also things to consider if you have the time and interest in doing all that work. But then again, you know, doing stuff like I just did here, out ripping that water, I mean, it's so nice, you know. And also all the places you can explore, you can get out, head out, explore new places, share that with friends and family, bring some snacks, stay overnight, and just have a good time. That's also something that's super nice.